Okay, this is on a horizontal unit. I can't use a tripod, so it might be a little shaky, but you can see the amount of, what did you say? Oh, there's no tool in there. Okay. You can see the amount of oil that we're getting on it this way. But as soon as the tool starts going on, it's going to start flinging it away a little bit more. Or we could do both. It's up to you. So, while I'm doing this, I'll show you. This is the bypass that we're using, that we can open this up or close it with this valve right here, and that